Did you know that good eating can work wonders in your body? Metabolism and production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Did you see how many foods? A balanced mix of all these foods combined with regular exercise is essential if you want to be happier and healthier. If none of these foods help, or if your case is severe, seek professional help.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.